I use a box from Costco and 4 bamboo sticks. Mark and drill the holes for the bamboo sticks to go through. This is the view from inside the box. On the back of the box, I use packing sponge, which I saved long times ago. White glue works fine in here. Should be able to soundproof. Then I use old towel. Go through the top 2 bamboo sticks. Drip all the way down to the bottom. That's it. Then I use a squeeze ball. Put it in my old socks, which are already clean and washed. Make a loop, then tie it up. Hang it in the front sticks for the target. These are my bullets, the 38 caliber and my 22 caliber, my favorite bullet size. I got them free on the ground. These are all my homemade slingshots, which all made in the same way, including the 3 rifles, which all loaded and ready to go. This is the setup for target practice. This is about 20 feet from the target. How can I miss with this nice slow motion? Try another rifle, which is made from blood test rubber band. Got it. Nice shot. I tried out all my slingshot too. I know I'm not a professional shooter, but with this silent target, I can practice more. Even live in this quiet neighborhood. Plus, I have unlimited ammunition free on the ground of my neighborhood around December every year. Getting better and better. I didn't know I have an audience. What do you think? Amateur. Thank you very much. That's it for today. I always looking for the Y-shaped tree branches around my house. These are the candidates, which is still growing. When the times come, I will cut them down. When I do the tree trimming, I start to collect them. This is the one from that trim. The second one I collect. After I cleaned up, it looked like that. I think this part needs to be cut off. This looks like a good one. This one, well, maybe. They are not perfect. Some are good. Some need more works. This tail needs to be cut off. This is a pretty one. I'm going to work on them. Stay tuned for my next project. Thank you for watching.